So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cook oxtail, and then I'm going to show you how to serve it. We're going to serve it with root vegetables and mashed potato. So we're going to salt it up to start off with. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on, and this is the sort of British English way of doing it. There's not going to be any spices in it or any garlic. It's just going to be in a nice rich sauce with a little bit of thyme. We're going to put a little bit of pepper on it, and then we're going to put a few sprigs of thyme on it, and we're going to take the leaves off, and we're just going to put them on so they're just in nicely. Just put them on, and then we're going to get a few more just so that it gets that lovely flavour, rich thyme. You're going to get a lovely jus and gravy out of it. Bit more thyme, and then we're going to put a little bit of oil in. We've got some nice oil here, which is just a little herb oil with a little bit of thyme and garlic in, and we're just going to put that on. Really generous amount of it, and then we're going to mix it up in the bowl. Just mix it up and let that flavour get in there. A little bit more salt because we mixed it, and a little bit more pepper. So the next stage is we're going to seal it in a hot pan that's smoking with a little bit of oil in. So straight in, and then we've got the little bits, put them in. We've got the medium sized bit as well, and we're just going to seal it and keep turning it and turning it over. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to transfer the oxtail into the air fryer proof tub. As you can see, it's nicely browned off. It's got herbs on. It's got the seasoning on. It's looking lovely. It's golden brown. So we're going to transfer there. Then we're going to put a little bit of stock in it, beef stock, or oxtail cube. And then we're going to top it up with water and cook it in the air fryer on 160 for about 2 to 3 hours till it comes off the bone. It's going to be lovely. Tastes amazing. I'm going to top it up with water. And then it's got the stock in, it's got the water in, it's got the herbs in, it's got the salt and pepper. There we are. Pop it in the air fryer and just close it up. Guys, this is the finished oxtail. So it's braised oxtail with mashed potato served with root vegetables. So that's the finished dish. It took up to about 3 hours on 165 to 175. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Thanks.